Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at Walgreens this week because y'all already know the P&G deals are fire, and we definitely have to grab some more laundry care and some Dawn dish soap this week. So we are back to it. So if you did not watch last week's video, the deals that I am talking about for P&G are two different promotions that we're going to be taking advantage of this week. The first one is Spend 20, Get Back 5. This includes Tide, Bounty, Always, Dawn, Mr. Clean, Cascade, Febreze, and Olay products. We are combining that deal with this deal that is buy 4, get back 5. And this right here is an example of both tags actually. So you can see this is buy 4, get 5, plus the Spend 20, get 5. 5 plus 5. We are getting back $10 in rewards for picking up 4 of these items. So the first deal I'm going to be doing today, I am going to do one big transaction, I think. The reason I want to do one big transaction is because I have a paper booster. Let me show you my paper booster. So last week I got this paper booster when I was shopping. Let me zoom in. So I got this paper booster for spend 50, get $11 in Walgreens cash. And then digitally I have a booster for spend 22 maybe, or 25 and get 7. One of those and get 7. So with that $7 in Walgreens cash plus this $11 in Walgreens cash, that's $8 in Walgreens cash back. When I stack those boosters, that's what we're going to do. And of course, I still have my $5 from last week that I'm going to be using as well to roll into this new week of deals. So I'm going to start out by picking up 3 of the Tide detergents, and then I'm also going to get 1 of these Dawn babies right here for $5.89. I'm going ahead and grab one of these Swiffer Duster Starter Kits. These are $5.49. We have a $4 digital coupon that works on this. This is a good item in order to build up my transaction so that I can use that $50 point booster. I still have the high value Charmin digital coupons. So they're good on the Charmin. I have an $8 one that's good on this red pack. And then I also have a $5 one that is good on this blue pack right here. They don't have this one. I hope it'll work on this one. And it's also good on the 4-pack of Bounty that is down here, but they are out of that because I would grab that. I'm gonna look around just to make sure they don't have any in another spot, but we're gonna try to grab 2 packs of these as well. I also mentioned that the Charmin digitals that I'm using are old digital. So if you don't have them, if you're like, I do not see these, that is because they became available like a couple weeks ago and I saved them, but I didn't have a chance to use them back then because my store didn't have enough stock. If you're looking for a filler item for a big booster and you don't have the Charmin coupons, another option is one of the L'Oreal facial care items. So we do have very high value $10 coupons for these items over here, and they are priced as low as $16.99. My store is out of the $16.99, but that's another option that you could use to bulk that transaction up. The Bounce Rapid Touch-Up is another nice filler item. We have an Ibotta offer for $2.85 back that's about to expire soon, but these are on sale for $4.99. So it'll be about $2.19 for one of these if you buy it in store, or a little bit cheaper if you order it online for pickup. All right, you guys, so this is gonna be my transaction that I'm gonna be doing. One big transaction to get it all done, and it's gonna be all digital coupons with the exception of using 1 paper coupon for the Tide. The other 2 coupons for the Tide are going to be digital coupons that I have on my account. So let's work out the math on this. So my total before coupons is going to be $51.83. After the $8 digital for this big pack right here, minus the $5 digital for that little pack right there, the $4 digital for the Swiffer, we got a $1 digital for the Dawn. I have 1 paper coupon for $1.50 for the Tide, and then $3 in digital coupons for the Tide. So I should pay out $29.33 after my manufacturer coupons. And then as far as money back, we should get back $10 in register rewards after we pay that, and I should get back $18 in Walgreens cash. So $11 for my paper booster and then $7 for my digital booster. So if that all works out right and everything comes off, baby, all of these items right here are just gonna be $1. $1. Yes, y'all, we gotta see how this is gonna go. OMG, you guys, I love it when a plan comes together. That worked out so beautifully. So let me show you a close-up of our receipt. So there is the Dawn, there is the Charmin, there is the 3 Tide, the Swiffer, the Charmin 6 rolls. So there is my paper point booster for spend 50, get 11. I used the $5 register reward from last week, the 1 paper coupon for Tide, and then all of my digital coupons came off, the 8 and the 5 for the Charmin, the $4 for the Swiffer, the 2 and the 1 for the Tide, and the 1 for the Dawn. That brought my subtotal down to $24.33, and I did pay that out in cash since I was using that paper booster and that digital booster, both of them. I wanted both of them to apply, and then I got back my $18 for both of my boosters. So I paid out the $24.33 after that $5 register reward. So total we paid out is $29.33. I got back my $18 from my boosters, and I also got back my $10 in register rewards, you guys. That transaction, since I got back $18.51 in Walgreens Cash plus the $10, ended up costing me less than $1. It was about 82 cents for everything. Tide, Charmin, all of that. Yes, yes, y'all, that is a come up. All right, y'all, so next thing we're going to be grabbing is some Febreze plugs. This is going to be a separate deal. So the Febreze is also included on the spend 20, get 5, and it's also included on the spend buy 4, get 5. So we're going to get back $10 once again for picking up the Febreze. We do have $3.30 digital coupons, and we have brand new paper coupons for buy one, get one free that do apply to these Febreze products. So we're going to go on ahead and pick up a total of 4 of them. Now with these, not all of the scents are showing is included online. The Downy is showing, the Hawaiian is showing, and the Mediterranean lavender. I don't know about the Gain scents being included just looking on the app, but they might be. But I can only confirm that these 3 are showing online. All right, you guys, so this is going to be our second spend 20, get back 5 P&G deal. So we're going to be stocking up on Febreze. So our total before coupons is $27.45. I added in that Swiffer baby so that I could use my digital point booster for spend 25, get 7. Now I am using another account to use another booster, but you do not have to do that. You can use the same account and keep rolling your register rewards and keep getting them back. There's no limit. So my total before coupons is $27.45. After my $6.60 in Febreze coupons, because we have 2 for $3.30, 1 paper, 1 digital. So we're going to take off, let me focus. So we're going to take off $6.60 for our Febreze coupons, plus a total of $4 for the Swiffer. That's going to bring me down to $16.85. So I'll pay out $16.85, but then I'm going to get back $7 for my digital point booster and $10 in register rewards. That is going to make this transaction right here, my friends, super free. All right, you guys, so let's go over that transaction. Everything worked out beautifully. Here is a close-up of my receipt. So there's the 2 Febreze or the 4 Febreze plugs. The Swiffer, I used 1 paper coupon for the Febreze, the 2 register rewards for my previous transaction. I had the $4 digital for the Swiffer and the $3.30 digital for the second set of Febreze. I did earn $7.27 for my point booster, and I spent out the $16.85 when you add back in those register rewards, and I did get back my $10 in register rewards. So we got back $17.27 after we spent out $16.85. That transaction with our Febreze was free, plus a 42-cent moneymaker. So all right, you guys, that concludes my Walgreens haul for today. You guys, after rewards back, our grand total today is about 40 cents out of pocket. We're going to call that free 99. We're going to call that super free. 40 cents is close enough to free for me. Walgreens is on fire. If you have not already gotten there, get there because these P&G deals are it. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. And as always, you guys, I will talk to you soon. Bye.